2x is a monomial. Now I'm multiplying this with 2xy plus x. So when you multiply a monomial with binomial, so what will happen? We can use the property of distribution, distributive property. This x will be multiplied with the first term. So it's like 2x into 2xy and plus 2x, which will get multiplied with x. Okay. We are showing this step here, but we can directly also write, see, 2 into 2 is 4. X into x is x square. You must write it together into y and plus 2 as it is, and x into x will become x power 2, x squared. Power of variables get added. One power is 2 power. So this is multiplication of a monomial with a binomial. Now we will also see multiplication. Okay, before we see multiplication of a monomial with trinomial, let me ask you one question. If I multiply here, I would suggest you to try this. Multiply 2a square with 2ab plus 3c. Okay. Now, just like the previous question, this is the question number 2. So we would like to multiply this term with this term. So what do we get? First of all, multiply the constant with constant. So 2 into 2 is 4. A square into a. Power 2 and power 1 should be a to power 3. And b should be as it is. And plus, now we would distributive property. So we'll multiply this term with 3c. So 2 into 3 is 6 and a square c. Perfect. Very nice. 4a square b plus 6a square c. Perfect. Well done. Next one is one more question we will take, and then let me see who gets the answer first. And this question is Jono has answered this question already. Next one is, we are again taking a monomial. 2xy square z is to be multiplied with, this is another question, with a binomial, and the binomial we take is 2x z square plus y cube. All right, who is telling me answer on chat? Yeah, I give you 15 seconds for this, then I will answer it together. So we have a monomial, which is to be multiplied with binomial, distributive property, and who is getting me answer? That's great. I have already got an answer. The other students also who got the answer can send the answer on the chart. Meanwhile, we would, the answer is 2 into 2, 4. And x into x will become x to power 2. Y square will remain as it is. One more correct answer before we have answered it. That's very good. You guys are doing very well. So it is z cube and plus 2x y to power 2 and y to power 3 should be y to power 5. I'm so happy that before I finish this answer, all of the students, barring one, has answered it correctly. All right, fine. I hope by now everyone has understood. So it's like we simply multiply the constant with constant, and then the variable power gets added. Power 1 become power 2, y square, and z square. This is z, okay? This number, do not confuse. One of the student confuse this for 2. This is z. Z into z is z cube. And now 2x y power 5 z. Perfect. Well done. X, Y, 5, Z. Okay, so this is it. Now we will take a monomial and multiply with it with a trinomial. All right. how to multiply monomial with a trinomial. Just like we multiplied a monomial with binomial, we'll multiply a monomial with trinomial also. Let's take an example. Another question. How do we multiply 3p with a trinomial? And let's take it 4p squared plus 2p plus q. All right. We will multiply 3p with 4p squared, 3p with this, and 3p with this. What answer we get? You see, 3 into 4, we get 12. P into p squared, we get p cube, right? Power 1 and 2. And see, this term now gets multiplied with this. 3 into 2 is 6. P to power 1 and 1 p squared. Finally, this term gets multiplied with this. So how much is that? 3p cube. 3p cube. So this is the answer, right? So this is how we multiply. One more example, when we multiply and simplify the expression, we multiply one polynomial with another polynomial and simplify the expression. All right, we have to simplify this expression. Since we have already learned how to multiply a monomial with a binomial. So actually this is a monomial which is multiplied with binomial, again a monomial multiplied with a binomial. And then how to add those terms, like terms we will add. So look at it carefully. Here we go. 2x multiplied with x squared. 2x into x squared will be 2x power 1 and power 2 should be 2x cubed. And then multiply 2x with y. This will become 2xy. Okay. Now 9 with x plus 9x. 9 into 3 then 27. Which property we are using? Distributivity. Distributivity means you are multiplying with the number. Wow, I got answers already. Very well done. So let's quickly finish it. So 2x cubed, very well done. And let's see, do we have some terms which are common? We don't see any term which are common. So 2xy plus 9x plus 27. Had we some terms which are common, we would have written them. 2x cubed plus 2xy plus 9x plus 27. Yeah, very well done. Now let's take one more question. Okay. I will write the question and wait for the answer for 30 seconds. If you answer it correctly, very well done. Else we will do it together. Okay. So next question, when you have to, you will simplify the expression. The question is 3x times 2x minus 7. 3x times 2x minus 7 and minus 3 times x minus 5. And plus 9. Okay. So all right. Try this. 20 seconds for answering this question. Let me see. Okay, 30 seconds.